Morning. I hope all is well, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day or night, whatever time or uh, you decide to listen to this video or give it a listen, whatever. But I'd really appreciate it if you share that and comment. Let me know if any questions you've got. But this is just going to be a quick video on the Spritz Finance, which is an onboarding option for the crypto. You can also offboard, and it kind of makes you a crypto bank account. But those are just words. Let's get some visual representations behind it as well. So we got Spritz.finance. As you see there, it's a very simple URL, www.spritz.finance. Easy website to remember. But on this website, they have an app, um, instant onboard and offboarding of cryptocurrencies. As you see right here, you can use on-chain assets every day, anywhere. They got low fees, fast transactions, and highest limits. I would actually 100% say their limits very high. I did not realize how high their limits were. Kind of do things out of order, I guess. But right here, unlimited amounts. You could withdraw or deposit $150,000 a day. Yeah, pretty OP, pretty large amount for sure. Um, There's an AML KYC policy, so you gotta tell them who you are, but it's understandable. Trusted, 60 million plus processed transactions. Very good, very good. We like to see that. That's past um, successes represent potential future ones. But they say their data is private, low fees. Fees are very reasonable on here, 0.5%. Live support, as we skipped over there, but they also cover a wide range of coins you can, or tokens and networks to transact with. Rapid payments for bills, and then secure military grade AES 256 encryption. So you are protected. If you're wondering which, I'm not even going to click on that on second thought. If you're wondering if you are supported in your area, you get 31 countries. So the odds that you are able to use this application is quite high. So don't worry about it too much. Just look into it a tiny bit to make sure. But if you can't use it, it's very likely that it will just not let you on the website. And then I guess we'll just go backwards from this point. But as I said, you got on-ramping options. So you can use this application to buy your crypto instantly. It's super fast, same day transactions. They're not gonna bog up, wait multiple days or a single day or a couple hours. It's gonna be instant, real fast. Low fees for off ramping. You got 1% most on ramps, and then you get no limits for buying crypto instantly, which is actually super dope. So you could buy $10 or you could buy $1 million of crypto with this application. And then, as you see here, this must be just for removing the crypto into dollars. So yeah, you could put $1 million on and then take $150,000 off a day, unlimited amounts, and maybe even more. Maybe they literally don't limit it. That's how cool Spritz Finance is. As you see on this bottom portion here, they have quite a few supported networks, but we'll get into that just a little bit further. So you can also have a Spritz virtual card, which allows you to put digital fiat basically onto and use it just like a Visa. There says, in the corner, Visa prepaid crypto debit card. But so with this, you can use it globally. Anywhere Visa is accepted, you'll be able to use this card and spend. the money you have earned with crypto easily and simply, just with this piece of plastic. Apparently, it's got tap pay, so fancy, and that way that's going to allow you to turn your digital card into a physical card. Wow, look at that. And but if you don't want to do that, you also got your good old online shopping you could use it for. And then yeah, instant loading your wallet is there and accessible. So moving on up now. As we already covered this a tiny bit, but you can off ramp directly into your bank account. As this picture shows, it's got the savings account of Bank of America with random individuals' account and routing number here. And then you just click off ramp. Bada boom, bada bang. You're sending yourself some crypto in the form of dollars. So also got low fees on this. You can use USDC on any EVM chain, which is like Ethereum. Really, most crypto chains are EVM. There's only a couple that are not. There is more. It's a growing field of cryptos that are not EVM that they wish to be different. But this video is not about them being different. But also very fast. It's not gonna take days or years. For you to get your crypto, you're gonna get it instantly for most banks. They're saying not every single bank, but in U.S. and Europe, it'll be very fast. But it's also flexible. You can use crypto from your wallet or exchange it on the website here as well. And it's private. No unnecessary reporting of your non-banking risks. So you're good there. There's one thing to note here. It is a tiny bit annoying with some banks. My bank in particular, for some reason, their app is having a glitch. It is supported, but for some whatever reason, the app is just having this weird glitch where, um, what happened exactly? Basically, it was like, oh, that's what it was. It was telling me that I had to put an address in, but because Spritz is supported and been used by other people at my bank account, they have it saved on file. So they know what the address is, but for whatever reason, the app still wants me to punch it in, even though the app tells me we know the address. I and then instead of having a box there that lets me put the address in, it literally just says, "We know the address." And I'm like, "What the hell, bro?" Because apparently it wants me to type in an address, but doesn't give me the box. It just tells me, "I know the address, but type it in anyways." So that's annoying, but just gotta call them and deal with it that way. It's not that big of a deal. But just to know, even if your bank is being weird, it's still supported. You just gotta like contact support. But so moving on here to another really important and great part of this application, and that is you can pay your bills daily with your crypto. Every day you can pay bills from businesses and households. But you reduce your debt by paying credit cards, loans, and mortgages. And this makes you bankless because you can use your crypto anywhere and everywhere without your actual bank account because this is a crypto bank account. But then you can also set up automatic auto pays so that way you don't even have to worry about it. It's just gonna take care of it for you without a doubt every time you need it done. But as we see, the rest of this going over a couple things here, over 70 million processed, that's a lot of money processed. Lots of 5-star reviews from individuals that have used it. As you see in this scrolly do of reviews. And now we get into the supported networks briefly. The blockchains are not, it doesn't support all of them. As you see, obviously, there's only this list. Like I can't scroll for days, so definitely nowhere near all of them. But they're growing it They're supposed to be supporting pulsechain eventually, but as of right now, you got arbitrage, avalanche, base, ETH, Bitcoin, BNB, Celo, Optimism, Polygon, Solana, and Tron. So lots of options. Really, any of the main chains that you're probably on or existing or living in, you got access to. And no matter what, you can go from the chain of your favorites to one of these chains, and then bada boom, bada bang, and there you go. So, I mean, that is Spritz in a nutshell. I mean, not really even a nutshell. We went through the whole website and kind of went over all of the ins and outs. It's not a complicated application. It's very simple. And yeah, you can use it on chain assets every day, anywhere. And that is literally Spritz. So I appreciate you stopping by, having a listen, and learning on a new, or I guess they're not really that new, but maybe new for you, off ramp or on ramp, bank account, decentralization is key. Let's become decentralized and take the control back in my hands and yours. Have a great day. It didn't work. It didn't work. I'm still recording.